मैं शुरू करूंगा विद अ स्मॉल लिटिल क्विज. प्ले अलॉन्ग विद मी. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्विज है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. आपको क्या लगता है आप एक दिन में कितनी टाइम ग्लास को टच करते हैं? थिंक अबाउट इट. ध्यान से सोचिए एंड कम अप विद अ नंबर. अपने माइंड में रखिए ये नंबर. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. What is a common thing? बहुत ही common specification amongst all really good phones. Now don't say the latest Snapdragon processor क्योंकि MediaTek का जो processor है that is also in almost as many phones. Do you want to pause and go and Google all the answers? कर सकते हैं आप, लेकिन I still think that you may not get the right ones. तो मैं आपको जवाब देता हूँ दोनों questions के. पहली चीज़ तो ये है, answer to question number 1, that we touch glass maybe thousands and thousands and thousands of times. आपने ये नहीं सोचा ना that almost every single device you own, you actually have glass on top of it. चाहे वो phone हो, चाहे laptop हो, चाहे tablet हो. And if you're a gamer, then maybe you touch glass thousands and thousands of times, even more. Glass is everywhere, you touch it all the time. और जो सेकंड सवाल मैंने आपसे पूछा उसका आंसर भी ऑलमोस्ट द सेम ही है. इट इज ग्लास. Common spec amongst almost all great phones is screen protection by Corning Gorilla Glass. था ना बिल्कुल ये one of those एकदम ओहो moments. यार ये तो मेरे को पहले सोच लेना चाहिए था, ये काफी obvious था. But it is true. 13 साल से Corning जो है अपना ये काम कर रही है. It has been making protective glass for almost anything tech that you can actually imagine. मतलब आप कुछ भी सोच लीजिए and Corning Gorilla Glass actually makes well protective glass for it. Not just smartphones but laptops and other digital displays also. It's that one thing जो आपके phone को protect करता है, उसके screen को protect करता है when you actually drop your phone, when you actually put your phone in your pocket and it's in your pocket with some coins, या आप अपने handbag में डाल देते हैं और उसमें keys हैं या coins हैं, कुछ भी है, and then you actually feel अरे यार मेरा phone तो बिल्कुल ठीक है. इसीलिए जब Corning Gorilla Glass moves to the next generation of glass, it is a very big deal. और इस टाइम डील जो है इतनी बड़ी है कि Corning ने डिसाइड किया that they will not just give it a number. अपना अगला जनरेशन जो है उसको एक नंबर नहीं देंगे. They will actually give this next generation a actual name. Corning is about to launch the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Victus का मतलब होता है to live. बहुत appropriate है क्योंकि that is what we do with our phones, right? हमारी life है, हमारे gadgets, and they are part of our lives, we are part of theirs. We actually lead our lives with them. इसलिए they have to be very durable and survive that tough life that we lead with them. Because with every generation, Corning Gorilla Glass has become tougher and more durable. इसका मतलब next generation आएगा, it has to do even more. और while Corning Gorilla Glass 3 was designed to help reduce scratches on your phones, Corning Gorilla Glass 4, 5 और 6 कंपनी ने फोकस किया on making sure the phone survives drops. But what if there was a better solution that tackled both problems? यानी कि scratch भी, drop भी. और एक और भी है जो मैं आऊँगा. I'll come to it. Victus जो है was literally designed from the ground up for that. New flagship product can actually help a phone survive. एक drop होगा as high as 2 meters से and it can survive it, which is 25% improvement over Corning Gorilla Glass 6, and it is twice as much as that of the closest competition. कोई भी और glass हो, it cannot survive more than 1 meter. But that's not all. Victus is twice as strong as Corning Gorilla Glass 6 when it comes to scratch protection. कंपनी जो है एक बहुत ही अच्छा diamond test use करती है to see how much force is needed to actually create a visible scratch in the glass. और जैसे कि आप देख ही रहे हैं कि उस scratch के बाद how long does it take for that glass to break is another test that they do. और Victus जो है can take an incredible lot of abuse. एक तीसरी चीज भी अब जो है Victus के साथ आ गई है और वो है pricing और economics. It seems अब हम सब afford कर पाएंगे protection that Corning Gorilla Glass can give us. Yes, Victus has kept the price point the same as previous generations while taking a quantum leap forward in glass technology. तो ये तो बात हो गई Victus और नए generation Corning Gorilla Glass के बारे में. अब हमारे को एक बहुत ही exclusive opportunity मिली to interact with the main person behind Corning Gorilla Glass, जो पूरी दुनिया में इनका business चलाते हैं, John Bain, the global head. Let's talk to John. Hi John, great to see you again.
Well, Rajiv, great to see you. And we're super excited to be announcing our next generation Gorilla Glass. This is our toughest Gorilla Glass ever. We set out to address both drop and scratch for the first time ever. Historically, we'll try and do one or the other. very difficult problem to do both at the same time. We challenged our glass technologists. And when you have the best glass scientists in the world, they typically do amazing things. They actually delivered a glass that addresses both drop and scratch.
John, this new product has a name instead of a number. Why a name and why Victus? I'm sure there were millions of other choices.
Exactly, Rajiv. So why a name? We wanted the market to know this glass was different, this glass was special. And yes, we could have done the sequential numbering. Would have been an easy decision, but we don't think that would have sent the appropriate message, which is how special this glass is. And yes, we looked at hundreds of names, which isn't an easy process. And something about Victus really struck us because the definition, to live, to survive, it evokes victory, it evokes Victor, our namesake. It invokes Invictus, a great movie. So there's just so many connotations to that name. And when I saw it, I said, wow, I think that's the winner right there. We did our research, and it turned out that it was well received by the market. So I'm super excited about the name, even more excited about the glass.
Okay, John, so what does Victus do differently from any other generation of Corning Gorilla Glass till now?
Our prior generations kept improving drop because that was the number one concern of consumers. 2 years ago, we started working on this glass right after we launched Gorilla Glass 6. And as we developed it, we went out and surveyed consumers and said, what's most important to you in a phone? And number one was brand, no surprise. Number two, which did surprise us, was durability. It scored higher than screen size and battery life and camera quality. So durability is critical to the consumer. And we said, well, what do you mean by just durability? Do you want better drop or better scratch? They said both. And we had never attacked both at the same time. Our last 3 generations were all focused on drop. So we challenged our scientists and technologists, and they actually delivered a glass over this 2-year period.
Now that you said that, let's talk about drop resistance, because this is my personal worst nightmare. I think it is for all of us, dropping our phone.
Well, the science of glass is very complicated. We don't need to go into the details, but if you're trying to optimize something for drop or scratch, you can start with the composition, but then how you process the glass. And sometimes to make it better for drop, you have to sacrifice on scratch and vice versa. So the real hurdle we had to get over was improving both at the same time. And we actually did that with Victus. We now can drop Victus in our test vehicle on a face drop rough surface at 2 meters, which is 25% higher than our previous best-in-class glass, Gorilla Glass 6, but over 2x the competitive glasses.
Now, what you've said is very interesting, especially when you're saying you've simultaneously raised the scratch resistance as well.
And for scratch, what we do is we take a diamond indenter and drag it across the surface and slowly increase the force until a scratch appears. And versus Gorilla Glass 6, Victus takes 2 times the amount of force, and versus competitive glasses, 4 times the amount of force. So those were stunning results.
John, an important point is the economics of Victus. It's the same as the previous generation in cost, right?
When you process the glass that scratches better through the supply chain, you get higher yields. So now, when our customers turn our glass into a part, even though the glass costs a little bit more, it yields higher and the manufacturing cost is lower. So net, the part costs about the same as Gorilla Glass 6. So now we've given 2 meter drop, 2 times better for scratch at about the same part price. So that's really the value proposition, which is super simple, super clean, super compelling.
So if the cost factor for Victus virtually doesn't change, that means previous generations of Corning Gorilla Glass will be that much more affordable and available in even lower priced devices. That is a big deal here in a country like India. So do you think now we'll see Corning Gorilla Glass at every price point?
I hope so. We want to keep those other glasses in our portfolio, those prior generations, so people have a choice. But it really comes down to the economics. So if people simply can't afford another 30 or 40 rupees to get that phenomenal protection for whatever reason, because the price point is just too low for the phone, they still need other glasses they can choose from, which is why we still have Gorilla Glass 3 in our portfolio, which is our most economic, cost-effective glass. We have Gorilla Glass 5 in our portfolio and Gorilla Glass 6. If I had to guess, I think Victus will start to take over the premium share, and then Gorilla Glass 5 will probably settle in at the intermediate, and Gorilla Glass 3 is still that option for people who are super cost sensitive, But as we've talked about, Victus really plays across all the categories from entry-level phones all the way up to premium. And we know in India, 76% of the market is buying phones roughly 14,000 rupees or less. A lot of people are still getting their first smartphones, transitioning from feature phones. And we want that market, the significant part of the India market, to have the option to have the best glass available on their device.
John, you know, I always do this, a personal question at the end of every interview. Important question. When do we get to see you here again in India? Promise us as soon as COVID-19 is over.
As soon as it's safe to travel to India, it'll be one of the first places I visit, just to come and spend some time with you. I always love our time together. You have great questions, and I really enjoy your passion for India, the India market, the India consumer. So I hope that's not too far in the distant future.
Thank you, John. Thank you so much for being with us on Tech Magnified, and I'll see you soon. तो Victus तो है, seems like something very, very exciting. It can be a real game changer. हमारे जितने phones हैं, they'll become tougher, more durable. लेकिन you know what I'm really looking forward to? मैंने आपको ड्रॉप टेस्ट दिखाया, स्क्रैच टेस्ट दिखाया, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टॉर्चर टेस्ट दिखाया. मैंने आपको बताया हाउ आवर लाइव्स विल चेंज, हाउ चीपर फोन्स विल एक्चुअली हैव Corning Gorilla Glass. अब आप ऐसे करिए, आप एक ड्रॉप डबल क्लिक करिए. वन ऑन द सब्सक्राइब बटन, वन ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल आइकॉन. रिमेंबर, इसी चैनल पे आपको सबसे पहले इनोवेशन दिखाई जाती है, सबसे पहले टेक्नोलॉजी की ब्रेक्स दिखाई जाती है, सबसे एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यूज ऑल हैपन हियर on Tech Magnified. See you soon.